Tere tulemast Väikköök. Welcome to our compact kitchen. We are actually making some Estonian recipes. Beautiful beach, beautiful area. Just loving it. Just leaving the Finland and getting on the beach. That is enough for getting like a really good. This is vacation mood at the moment. Usually we get like traveling or living on the van mood, but this is vacation. Yeah. At some point it will turn into just normal life. There are swans over there. They are already going to the south as we are, so I think we are taking the same pace.
We are moving with the birds to the south. There's no birds.
It was really quiet night. We went for a walk with Ulla in the morning time on the beach, and we always try to find ways to save money on things that we can do. For example, a cell phone company, when we were in Spain, we paid 12 euros per month, both of us, just to keep our phone numbers. Yeah, phone numbers are most important thing for us because with those you
identify to specific services in government.
So we have to have a same phone number as before, because otherwise, even if we are homeless, we have to have a phone number to identify ourselves and use those services. Otherwise it's not gonna happen. DNA in Finland, they have this
Numeroparkki.
It's a service that you pay only 2 euros per month to keep your phone number. So we are gonna take local SIM card as we did in Spain and in France, and just change those 2 euro providers. So we're gonna save like 20 euros per month, but it's 240 euros per year. We are trying to keep our like must-have cost down as possible, so we can spend things that we want. Yeah. Good morning.
We are going to enjoy a day here. It's supposed to be sunny. Change of a spot. We are so restless, so we turn it around and took this place.
But now let's go swimming. I smell a lot.
Yeah, it's time for that van life shower in the wild.
Tere tulemast Väikkökök. Welcome to our compact kitchen. We are actually making some Estonian recipes. It was a strange thing that we made one of the traditional Estonian dishes already in Finland. It was the Nordic herrings with the sour cream sauce. Yeah, and they were delicious. One of my favorite dishes when it's summertime in Finland. Another traditional Estonian cuisine is bread soup. They have this really good black bread, rye bread in Estonia. You should always test it when you come to Estonia. But now we are making a soup out of this bread. Yeah, this is a bit sweet bread because it's a sourdough, so it makes a great dessert. Basically what we do is we boil this bread in water, and it makes like this base of the soup. And after that we add a lot of ingredients: raisins, plums, cloves, cinnamon, cranberry juice, and apples. So we have them here actually soaking already, so they can actually get the cranberry taste. And also we got a local Estonian honey that we're gonna use to adjust the sweetness of the bread soup. Yeah, interesting recipe. Just making soup out of bread and it's delicious dessert. Okay, now the bread starts to melt, so the base of the soup is almost ready. And then we add all the ingredients that were here on top of it. Yeah, there was a lot of different kind of recipes for this soup, so it was really simple, like they didn't put anything but raisins there. And then there was this apple, cranberry, raisins, plums,
Clove.
all the ingredients are there. It's gonna be boiling there for I think a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna add some honey there for getting it more sweet. But it's good actually. It looks sush. Really sush, but it is good. Yeah, the smell is like a really Christmassy because of the cinnamon in it, and also the plums and the raisins and the cloves and cranberries. So this in Finland would really work as a Christmas soup.
Sorry, we get excited about the food, but we are kind of foodies, and that is one thing that we spend our money on. Soon we will cook souvlaki's. So, okay, I had to cut down the camera recording for a while. So those are not yet souvlaki's, they are shashliki's, and unfortunately we left our own shashliki sticks in our plot, so we will have to improvise to eat good grilling food here in the beautiful Estonia. It's really great contrast, like a blue skies and a green forest around us. I love it. It's perfect.
You should be souvlaki, souvlaki. No, it's shashliki in Estonia. Miten tää mahtuu tää?
Taisitko? Ehkä vai? Mitä vittu?
What the fuck? Design fault. No design fault, just a user error.
We are using the perfect size logs for our tiny little wood burner in our van, and in these RMK places they do provide these fire pits, but you should always bring your own firewood with us. So that's why our wood is so tiny, but they burnt so well because they were grown in our own flat in eastern Finland. And meanwhile, we are toasting our bread here in our LPG gas hob while Joni is cooking our shashlikis.
Yum. So good. We have grilled some great food, shashlikis, and now it's for the dessert. It's the bread soup that we made earlier.
Leivasupp, Estonian traditional soup.
Yeah, the ingredients and how it looks like it's not that convincing.
Yeah.
But after tasting it, it's pretty good. We have mämmi in Finland, and we eat it in Eastern time. And this is like mämmi mixing with the
Christmas vibe.
Yeah.
Exactly. So even the ingredients are a bit suspicious, the aftertaste is kind of good.
Yeah. And actually, the malt that the bread gives to the soup, it's actually really good.
Yeah.
So we give 4 out of 5.
3 out of
3 out of 5.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a friend of mämmi.
Soon the sun will set. We will sure enjoy this beautiful scenery around our van.